Well, we're here today at the North Mercer Island project. This project upgrades about 4 miles of sewer pipe and upgrades a pump station on the north part of Mercer Island.
This region is still growing. More people means more need for wastewater treatment and wastewater conveyance. We're taking a good hard look at what it costs, what it takes, and how long-term we're going to maintain the projects, because it's not going to be easy. As it shrinks, there may be different techniques needed to be used, so keep an eye on this space. There's a lot still to be done. We are looking at having to upgrade and replace a massive, complex wastewater treatment system over the several coming decades.
We have to invest in a system that is aging.
These pipes were built in the 1960s, so they are just coming to the end of their useful life and needed to be replaced.
We've got barges in the water that are excavating material out of the water so that we can lay new pipe at the bottom of the East Channel here under Lake Washington.
So it's a big investment, but it's really important that we make it in order to, maintain human health, clean water, and our environment.
As we excavate through, we try to have a light touch and make sure that we leave aquatic environment in as good or even better shape than as we found it.
The impacts to the local folks here have been significant.
People that are in Mercer Island, people that are in Bellevue that are served directly by this project will have a reliable conveyance system that the local wastewater can flow into. That means it's going to serve today's customer, but more importantly, customers for dozens and dozens of years to come.